Do a jig.
What?
Do a jig.
A jig?
A dance.
Oh, why?
Just dance.
Okay. I'll do the ollie.
No, not to answer the phone.
Hello?
Sorry, but I can't talk right now.
Like now? Good. No. She called?
See the
That was
devilish look in
me.
his eyes. The devilish look.
Oh yes, yes I am. I need to charge the camera because I'm still taking a picture of that. No, Dylan's with me. Yep. Ow. Dylan's videotaping me with the camera and he's whipping the camera at my head. He's going back and forth and he hit me in the head. I won't. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Okay, bye.